What's up, guys? It's Wade here yet again from my FX. I hope you guys had a good weekend and a great week last week. So yeah, as you guys know, I'll be doing my weekly breakdown on US30 GU and GJ. So guys, come on, started a little bit with GJ. So you guys can currently see I am on the 4-hourly time frame. So let's see how things go here. So on the daily time frame, as you guys can see, we are at the level of resistance on a higher time frame, as you guys can see on a daily time frame. But yeah, as you guys know, you guys see market structure is below 200 EMA and 20 and 50. So what I'll be doing, like I said, I never want to try and complicate things. So we make things quite simple and quite easy, or I try to at least. So guys, as you guys can see, we're at the level of resistance as well on a 4-hourly time frame. So coming to this object line, line. So all we're waiting for is for a break of these levels of resistance, right? Then wait for another retest at new levels of support on a 4-hourly time frame. Should look something like this. Right, and then I'll most likely look for buy trades on GJ. And that's the most simplest and logical thing, just to do, less complicated, just go with it. If not, I always try and explain to you guys different scenarios, but as you guys can see, we are in a bullish time frame or bullish momentum on the 4-hourly time frame. As you guys can see, levels of resistance were broken, retest at levels of support. And as you guys can see, we'll see what happens if we can break these levels with a nice big momentum and then come back down to retest at levels of support. But if that does not happen, as you guys can understand, we wait then for a break, or if we see, not wait, if we see a break of the level of resistance, I don't know what's going on today, but okay, then obviously wait for another retest or break of support, another retest at levels of resistance, and then I would most likely look for sell trades, and then it will most likely look like something like this. So guys, either way the market is going, if it's going to sell or into a buy, that's what a person can look for this coming week. All right, as you guys know, if you go for sell trades, it can even go down for here, but we have, as I see, momentum is moving bullish. So we'll wait and see if we can break these levels and then continue a bullish trend with it. If not, obviously we'll be looking for sell trades, or I will be looking for sell trades. Again, you guys do not need to take the trade that I am taking. And obviously you guys have to risk the amount of money you guys can afford to risk per trade, and not trade according to what I'm doing with my risk and everything, because that's the amount I can afford to lose. So guys, as you guys can see, I explained to you guys all buy or sell trades moving forward. As I see, momentum is looking more bullish than bearish. So yeah, let's go to GU for our daily time frame. What's happening there? So guys, on a daily time frame, obviously you guys can see we're sitting at the level of resistance, which we are still waiting to continue this bullish momentum. As you guys can see in the 4-hourly time frame, you find the higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and momentum was broken at support and then retest as well. Broken at resistance and retest at support. So we're still waiting, or I'm still waiting to see what is happening. At this moment, I'm not going to trade here at all until I see levels of resistance or levels of support to break. So this is the easiest way I can find out if we can. Let's see what happens with the weekly time frame. So yeah, guys, let's go. Not make things complicated. Let's go insert object line. You guys can fast forward this if you want, but I don't think it's a little bit too long. But if we do continue this bullish momentum, we will see for buy trades, or I will see for buy trades, and I'll wait for levels of resistance to break. And with that, I'll wait for a new level of support to form and wait for rejection at levels at 124,339. Once I see rejection and everything looks positive, I will look for buy trades, and I'll take my buy trades on GU. And I'm most looking for target around there, or at levels to be safe, 126,476 If I do see sell trades in the market does reject levels of resistance on a higher time frame, then you guys know I'll wait for levels of support to break, retest at new levels of resistance, and then I would look for sell trades. Sorry about that, guys. So then I'll look for sell trades, and then most likely this is what I'll be looking for this coming week on GU and GJ at this moment. So if I do look at sell trades and buy trades, this is what I'll be looking for. So yeah, guys, let's go to US30 on a daily time frame. Let's go 4 hour. Yeah, like 4 hours. So guys, on a 4 hourly time frame here, you can put this thing on things to look for. There is a level of support. So on a 4 hourly time frame, most likely that's what I'll be looking for. These are my higher time frames, levels of support and resistance. But I know that we have broken these levels right over here. So I'm going to delete that. I delete that one. So as a daily, you can see we've been rejecting this zone right here. So what obviously I'll be waiting for is a nice push down to these levels if I have to take sell trades, and then to continue the sell trades, I'll wait for these levels of 33, 44, 9.51 to break at level of support and then retest. But for now, everything still looks very bullish. So I'll wait for this to happen right here. Insert objects. So this is what I'll wait for 4 hourly time frame. Wait for these levels right here to break. And then I'll wait for a new level of support to form with nice rejection. And then take buy trades. And this is on US30. Right? So that's what I'll most likely be looking for on US30 if I continue this bullish momentum trend that is happening right here. You know, if not, I always try and make sure that you guys understand that the market can go different ways in different directions as it is or sell or buy. So if those levels do break, then for me to continue a sell trade or this bearish momentum, if a bearish momentum has to continue or has to form, I'll wait for these big levels of 334 or 9.51 to break. This is the level I'll wait for to break. All these levels right here, these levels of support to break and retest. But for now, if I have to look for sell trades, I will first have to wait for this level right here to break. For now, I'll be looking for buy trades. Other than that, I will not be looking for sell trades until this level of support has broken. I hope you guys understand that. And yeah, yet again, I hope you guys have an amazing week. I think I've cleared everything up for this week. More or less, I'll be looking for my trades for this coming week on GU and GJ and US30. So I hope you guys have an amazing week, that you all make money. And yet again, I'm going to say it again. Do not risk the amount of money you cannot afford to lose in the market. All right? Just understand that. All right, guys. Have an amazing day. And thank you for listening. Ciao, guys. I'm out.